Okay. So I think you have done all of you, all the questions. Done? So let's discuss the questions. Okay. Give me a notebook so that I can know what are the questions. Okay. So all of you will check the answers by themselves. I will be telling you answers. Okay. Now, who is the father of modern genetics? Nobody? It's Gregor Mendel. It's Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel, the father of modern genetics. Okay, it's in your NCERT book, the chapter heredity and evolution. So evolution is not in your syllabus for this year, so heredity वाले chapter में से है. Okay, next question is the normal systolic blood pressure of a human being is it's 120 mmHg. It's 120 mmHg. 80 वाला तो diastolic है. Diastolic is called as 80 normal. Okay, if the pressure increases from 120 to some other extent like 140, 160, even 180, so it is said to be a high blood pressure. And if this decreases from 120 to 100 or 80, so we said to it to be a low blood pressure. Same with this also. So these are the standard blood pressure which has to be maintained in the body of a normal human being. Okay. Next question is, which acid is present in bee sting? So it's formic acid which is present in bee sting. And sometimes the question comes, which acid is present in ant sting? It's methanoic acid. It's also in your book. Okay. So sometimes questions come, what will you do if a wasp bites on your hand? Okay. So wasp in his sting do not have any acid, but it has some basic caustic base. Okay. So अगर कोई wasp काटेगा तो you gonna rub acetic acid like vinegar or lime juice. Okay, because it's base. And if ant stings or bee stings, then you gonna apply some baking soda over your damaged part. ताकि वो acid or base neutralize हो जाए. Okay. Next question is, what happens when the color of AgCl is what happens to the color of AgCl when AgCl is exposed to the sunlight? Okay, so silver chloride is silver in color. So its silver color fades into grey color. It undergoes decomposition reaction, and that too photolytic decomposition reaction when it is exposed to sunlight. और ये क्वेश्चन हमने करे हैं बहुत सारा. Okay, what is covalent bonding? What is covalent bonding? Yeah, the sharing of electrons. Okay, the bond formed by the sharing of electrons is called as the covalent bonding. Okay. Now next is, what do you mean by dialysis? Yes. Dialysis is an artificial kidney used for the patient who undergo kidney failure so that they can get their blood filtered by this artificial machine. Okay, dialysis goes there. Okay. Now, next question is, what is the question basically? What is the atomic radius? Okay, it's a true or false statement. The atomic radius of an element decreases when we move from left to right. Okay, from left to right in a period. So, when we move from left to right in a period, in a periodic table, so atomic size decreases. Okay, so this is a group and this is a period example. So moving from this side to this side, it will decrease. Why? Because the number of shells remain same, but the number of electron increases. So it causes the more attraction towards the nucleus because the negative charge increased. So the size will slightly decrease. And what will happen when we move down the group? It will increase. The atomic radius will increase because the number of shells will increase. Number of shells will increase. Like यहाँ पर क्या होगा? पहले एक shell होगा, दो shell होंगे sorry, फिर तीन बन जाएंगे, फिर चार हो जाएंगे. The number of shells will increase. इतने छोटे पोटेशियम में, ठीक है? So the size will also increase. Okay. Next is complete the reaction. Fe plus H2O. Okay. So iron. What will happen? Complete the reaction. FeO plus H2O. FeO plus. Okay. Okay, so Fe do not react with water. Okay, Fe do not react with cold water. Neither Fe reacts with steam or sorry hot water. Iron only reacts with steam. ठीक है, steam की form में react करेगा तो ये बनाएगा Fe3O4 plus hydrogen gas. Okay, alright. ठीक है. Now, तो ये क्या आयरन सेकंड थर्ड ऑक्साइड बनाएगा. So if we will have to balance this reaction, how can we balance the reaction? Fe is 1 here, 3 here, so it's 3 Fe, and now H is 2, and here is also 2. So kind of balance, but O is 1 and 4 here. So we write 4 here. अब यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन 8 हो गए, तो क्या करेंगे? 4 करेंगे. तो यानी कि एक हाइड्रोजन ओके बैलेंस, 8 oxygen balance, and Fe3 balance. This is a balanced reaction. Okay. Please, those who don't know the answers, write down the answers when I'm telling you. Okay. Now, what is the color of lead iodide precipitates? Lead iodide का color क्या होगा? This is from the reaction. This question from the reaction called as precipitation reaction. In your textbook, it's there. What is the color? Yellow? Yes? Who's saying green? No, it will be yellow. Okay, so the reaction is like this. Lead nitrate when reacts with potassium iodide. Okay, so it undergoes a change, and here, lead iodide. Yes. Lead iodide is formed plus potassium nitrate is formed. So ये solution के form में होगा. We will take a solution of lead nitrate, and in that we will add solution of potassium iodide. So we will get a yellow color of precipitates. Yellow PPT of this lead iodide. Lead iodide along with this potassium nitrate. Okay. Why are you smiling, Sarthak? Okay. Okay. Then next question. What is the formula of plaster of Paris? It's CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay. Yes. We can also write 2CaSO4 dot H2O. वो भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Okay. Next is the final product of the anaerobic respiration is ethanol and CO2. ठीक है? C2H5OH ethanol. Okay, E से double goes the ethanol. CO2. Okay, I am recording this and put that in. Okay. Now the compound having pH value of 13. So it is said to be basic in nature. Basic in nature. How? I'm going to show you. Okay, now if it is a pH scale, starts from 1. Here is a 7. Okay, neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay. So this is a neutral. So water has a pH of 7.4. So when we move from here to here, this is basic or alkaline. Okay. And this is the acidic. So starting from here to here, these are the weak bases or mild bases. And when it moves from 10 to 11 towards it, this becomes the strong bases. Okay. And here also, these are the weak acids, and when it starts from 3, becomes strong acids. So the acids which we consume, which we can like lime juice, ethanol, and many more things like that, citric acid and all. So they have a pH of from 6 to you can say that from 5 to 3.5, 9 to 5, 3 pH. तो इतना चलता है. And also like bases also have, जैसे हम खाते हैं ना सोडा वगैरह, they have pH of 9.4 and all. ठीक है, तो till 10 it's safe for us, and till 3.5 it's safe for us. उसके बाद it will become acidic. So कभी-कभी we feel acidity, so we consume that Eno or Digen. So they are what? They are all alkaline. ठीक है, so they contain some soda in it, alkali medium. So when it undergoes, when we consume it in our stomach, there is a neutralization reaction. ठीक है, salt बनता है, तो इसलिए क्या होता है, neutralize हो जाता है acid. ठीक है, तो अगर हम ये बढ़ेगा नंबर, it's basic, and if the number decreases, it's acidic. 9.4 होता है pH of baking soda, and 6.4 is the pH of milk. Maximum times asked this question is asked pH के ऊपर. ठीक है, okay. Next question, what is the structure of ethane? The formula of ethane is C2H6. Okay, because H means 2 carbon atoms and A means single bond. So it's C2H6. It will be like this. 6 hydrogen. And it comes to write the electron dot structure. How you make? तो कार्बन आएंगे यहाँ पे 4 electron dot structure. Okay, and here will be the hydrogens. And you can also represent it by cross so that it will be clear. Okay, so hydrogen will share the electrons from here. And this carbon will share 8 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and this will also share from this. Clear? This is the electron dot structure. It's an order structure. This is the formula. Okay. So next question is, what is the movement by which the food moves down these figures called as? It's called a peristaltic movement. Okay, peristaltic movement. The last question is, what is the negative electrode in an electrolysis called as? Negative is called as cathode. Okay, cathode is the negative electrode and what is the positive electrode? Okay. Okay, then that's it. Any other thing you want to ask, class? Okay. So if I'll give you a question, one more question. Okay. So the color of copper is reddish brown. So what is the color? I'm just asking, you not write. Okay. So what is the color of copper changes when it reacts with oxygen or when we heat it in the presence of oxygen? What does the color change into? Because observation based questions can come. Observe करने वाले questions में. When the copper is heated in the presence of oxygen, the color of copper changes into black due to the formation of copper oxide. Black हो जाएगा. And again, if we will heat the copper in the presence of hydrogen gas, the color will again change back into reddish brown. Okay, so black color वापस से गायब हो जाएगा due to the reduction reaction. So please write down the homework for tomorrow. Hurry up. What is meant by? I will give you a few questions. What is meant by heredity? Heredity. Next question is, why does calcium floats in water? Why does calcium floats in water? What is the role of acids in our stomach? What is the role of acids in stomach? Next question is, why do the walls of trachea not collapse when there is, why does the wall of trachea do not collapse when there is less air in it? Okay, clear? So these 4 questions you are going to do for your homework, okay? And then you have to study your chapters as well, okay?